I had a chance 7 years ago to bring the ship from Singapore to this location. I had also the chance to connect it to the seabed, and since then, for 7 years, the unit was producing oil.
The history of this vessel, it's here since 2015 on this IG field. It was previously the asset of Rubicon. More than a year ago, Century acquired. This asset belonged to Nigerian Energy now.
It's a vessel that stores crude oil, that takes crude oil from the well. Right now we are sitting on top an oil well, so we produce crude oil, goes through the process unit, from the process unit to the marine unit. The marine then will give out. Vessels come and load. When oil comes from the well, it comes to the process unit in the production department. The process unit now collects the crude oil, separates water from the crude oil, and send it to my department, the marines. The marine department will store the oils in the vessel, all the tanks. Then we give out to export tankers that comes to carry.
I was the past month on ASOPs in Lagos in the office with the new clients to discuss all the modifications that we're going to do on this facility. To go back to yesterday, it was a proud moment for all of us.
We had to disconnect the vessel from the field. It was a bit challenging for everybody here, since it was quite unusual operation for the crew. But eventually everything was done safely.
It was for me a privilege to be a part of this operation yesterday that went off very good. Yesterday afternoon, 14:52, we were disconnected and we were start drifting away from the IG field to Lagos.
disconnection of the vessel was to ensure we prepare the safety analysis of the job to ensure this job will be done safely. And we done that. We carried out an in-depth risk assessment from beginning of all the activities, all the tasks that will take place. We analyzed the risk and also the hazard that follow and the effects, and eventually put in some control measures to ensure we don't record any incident. And that has been done successfully. The facility has been disconnected. We are gradually drifting to Lagos for maintenance, which will be carried out before the facility moves to another oil field to continue its production.
My biggest concern always is safety. Everything went well, and I believe forward everything will end up very good as well.
Eventually everything was done safely with the support from all the ship's crew, from the shore management. We raised our challenges, they met our demands. So now presently we are under tow, proceeding to Lagos Shipyard. The unit will be prepared for the next assignment, another oil field here in Nigeria, and probably will produce for the next 10 years or so.